In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Revolut Visa debit card to PayPal. Let's get started by signing into your PayPal account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled Pay and Get Paid. Click it to expand the options, then choose Banks and Cards. This takes you to the page that shows any bank accounts or cards you've already connected. If this is your first time here, the list may be empty, and that's completely fine. On the Banks and Cards page, look for the option that says Link a Card and click it. You'll land on a simple form where you'll enter your Revolut Visa details. In the first field, type your full card number. It's a good idea to enter it carefully without spaces and double-check each digit to avoid typos. Next, you'll see the card type field. In most cases, PayPal detects that it's a Visa card and fills this in for you automatically. If it doesn't, click the drop-down and select Visa. After that, enter the card's expiration date in the month and year format printed on the front of your Revolut card. Then add your card's 3-digit security code from the back. Now choose your billing address. If you already have an address saved in PayPal, you can select it from the list. If not, add a new address. Make sure this address matches the billing address set on your Revolut card, including the exact spelling of your name and the correct postal or zip code. Mismatched details are a common reason cards fail to link. Before you proceed, a few quick tips. Have your Revolut app handy in case you receive a security notification or need to confirm anything. Ensure your card is enabled for online and international payments in Revolut settings. It also helps to have a small available balance, as PayPal may place a temporary authorization hold to verify the card. This is routine and usually reverses automatically. When everything looks correct, click Link Card. PayPal will process the request, which typically only takes a moment. If it's successful, you'll be taken back to the Banks and Cards page, and your Revolut Visa will appear in the list of payment methods. If you run into an error, calmly review the card number, expiration date, and security code. Confirm the billing address matches exactly and try again. If issues persist, wait a minute and retry, or reach out to your card provider or PayPal support for help. That's all there is to it. Your Revolut Visa debit card is now linked to PayPal and ready for secure online payments.